During a ribbon-cutting ceremony, the district invited community members to check out the new state-of-the-art $9.57 million Dubuque Community School District Aquatic Center. Containing approximately 580,000 gallons of water, this will be the new home venue and practice space for the Hempstead and senior swimming and diving teams.
There's more lanes, there's cool down availability, there's more seating, there's a better board. People who are trying out swim, and I feel like it's a good place for them to learn to love the sport.
The Aquatic Center replaces the district's outdated pool, which became unusable and was decommissioned last year. Shout out to Loras College for allowing our girls' swimming and diving teams to use their pool in the fall to help us bridge the gap between decommissioning the previous pool to when the new facility passed its final inspection. The most glaring difference between the old pool and the Aquatic Center? Its size.
I feel like people are going to look at it and be like, oh, I definitely want a chance to get in there, whether it be water fitness or going on the swim team.
And thanks to a $1 million donation from the Dubuque Area Swim and Hurricanes, the final project contains an expanded number of pool lanes. Dash's support will also give the team access to the facility for its own practices and competitions. We are proud of all the work that has gone into making the Aquatic Center a reality, and we are excited about the opportunities it provides to our community and student athletes.